Tula coming in from David Lutalo, anyone Jeune Black. Njira Lavu, Sama Soldier, and Shiba Karunji is coming in. Oh. Tight one, right? And we do have the 2022. Last year we had this award going to Daddy Andre, but the nominees for this year are. What's up, Sheena Skies?
Hello.
So Sheena Skies was a nominee for Best Songwriter. Very talented woman, I'm telling you. Actually, guys, just clap for Sheena Skies. Very talented. If you've listened to me on radio, you've definitely heard me say Sheena is the next big thing as far as songwriting is concerned.
And singing too, I did not just write them, I
Yeah,
sing them.
fam.
Yeah. Kona onyao.
So we have Sheena Skies, Daddy Andre coming back still, Mudra, Bushi, Azawi, also nominated as Songwriter of the Year. Sometimes you just need to go out, chill, have someone make you laugh, crack a joke or two so you can laugh and go home. Yeah? And the nominees for Best Comedian of the Year, ZZina Awards 2021-2022. We have Madrat and Chico, Ebizonto. Since Abivumia, their name is actually Ebizonto. We have Maulana and Rain. We do have MC Mariachi. We have the Talkers. And we have the guy right here. He's already smiling. Nice beard, by the way, Uncle Mark. I'm not even trying to flirt. Congrats, Uncle Mark. So we don't know if it's going to be Brand Beats, Daddy Andre, Nassim, LED, Bomba, Artin, TON. We're running on this one. Hash Beats, Ian Pro, or...
And for the Galaxy family.
Any comedian in this category that you feel is competition and you are like,
well, yes. I have a few I look at and I also get afraid.
like who?
Of course, we shall not dispute the fact that people like Maria Alexander, yeah, and we appreciate their work, pretty appreciate their work, because we have seen them test of time, and so others are, but I also there.